Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning about numbering. How we can keep the serial numbers, how you can put the serial numbers, how we can change it, or how we can manage it. Let's learn about it. Like if you write 1, right? You can see 1 and enter, and 2 and enter, and 3 and enter, and 4 and enter. But this may make you mistake. Like if you write here 6, again enter here 7, enter, and you write like this to the 10,000. Then if you make mistake here, right, like 4, after 4 you have to make 5. Again you have to drag and you have to rewrite it. It's very hectic, right? So how we will go today, I'll show you here. Okay, let's remove it. Let's start. 1. If you want to write 1 in all of this blank space, then if you go here, then you will see a plus sign. It is bold plus sign. When you go here, you will see a black plus sign. Drag it and leave it. Just drag it and leave it. It's become filled with number 1. But what we have to do, we have to fill with serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2. Write only 2. Then what we can do, select these two sides. Okay, select these two and drag this one. Let's drag to 10. Okay, you can see serial number has been filled up to 10, right? Okay, this is one idea. We also can do like number 1 and again write n or number 2, number 2. Select these two and just drag it till here. Okay, now you can see here we made 1, 2, 3, 4 manually. Then we have made 1, 1. Then we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 serially. Okay, you can do like this as well. But if you do this only for 10, then the blank cell below 10 will be filled with 10. If you try to do this, then it's become 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's start with this one. This is also same, like select 2, any of 2, then drag it. You can select any 3, any 4 and drag it. Okay, as you like. Now next, what we'll do, we'll use a formula. Okay, we'll use a formula. Like we can use formula where we'll write formula here is equal to, formula always start with is equal to, and we'll learn about the different formula and different videos. Okay, in every formula where we use some formula or cell additional, subtraction, multiplication, any type of formula, we'll start with is equal to number. First you have to give double colon. Let's use double quote here, and again double quote here, and space and space sequence, sequence formula, sequence. You can see the row, column, start, steps right here. Okay, we'll write only 20. Okay, then we'll close. Let's write 10, not 20. Then enter. You can see the number are entered here. If you write like, okay, if you write 20 here, it will be 20. Okay, as you like, you can put the number sequence as you like. And we'll write again a formula. Okay, same formula but the different way. Okay, like right here, number no number dot, again and sequence, sequence formula, sequence. Then we'll write count, count, this count and this count. Okay, ta, Remember this TA, counter formula you will use. Then counter formula, from where to where you come to count? You have to count from okay, this G, this we're writing in this, so we'll do counter in this cell. So write G, G1 2 2 2 G 10. Okay, then close the bracket, again close the bracket. You can see this cell is selected. Now you do enter. You can see nothing right here. Now you can write one, you can write EG, EASY, EG, and it's number 1. LEARNING, learning. Then it's number 2, right? UTU, YouTube. Then it's number 3. Sharing. Sets EARIN, sharing. Sharing is caring, right? Like and subscribe. SUBS CRIB, subscribe. After subscribe, you got me right. Subscribe my channel, like, share, learn more, explore more. If you want to learn anything, please let me know. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your life. Good night, good morning, wherever you are learning from. Keep loving us. Thank you. See you again.